Okay guys, so today I am going to cover another important topic called LSMW. LSMW. It is called LSMW. So we'll discuss what is this LSMW, what exactly we are going to do with the help of LSMW, and testing part in the sense individual part also will be doing. Now, see, the first thing is LSMW stand for Legacy System Migration Workbench. Generally, LSMW, the full form of LSMW is Legacy System Migration Workbench. So, the full form itself is saying definition of LSMW. LSMW is a tool which is used for data migration from legacy system to SAP system, or it is used for mass data upload as well. I'll tell you guys. So now what is happening? Everybody says that LSMW is used for data migration activity. In the sense, data migration means, as I already explained to you guys, whenever we implement SAP somewhere, before that people are using some different ERP that is called legacy system. That is called legacy system. So whatever data are there in the legacy system, those data we have to migrate. In the sense, those data we have to migrate from legacy system to SAP system. Now, so how this migration will happen? In the sense, those data we have to fetch from, it's not we are going to fetch, but those data will be taken out from legacy system and that should be uploaded to SAP system. So how this migration will happen? There will be certain tools. Certain tools will be there by which this data upload will take place. So we are having total two tools. The first one is Legacy System Migration Workbench, and second one is BDC, Batch Data Communication. So BDC, I have explained somewhere clearly the difference. What is the difference between LSMW and BDC? Now here we are going to discuss about LSMW first. So this LSMW is a tool which is used for data migration from legacy system to SAP system, or even this LSMW is used for mass upload as well. Let's suppose we are having a legacy system called Tally, which is being used by Tata Motor earlier, but now what they have decided, they are going to use SAP. So whatever the GL masters are there in Tally, those we need to upload in SAP. Whatever customer masters are there in Tally, those we need to upload in SAP. Whatever the vendor masters are there, those we have to upload in SAP. Whatever the previous transactions were there in the Tally, those balances also we have to upload in SAP. So how it will happen? These all things will happen either by help of LSMW or by help of BDC. So in VDC there is involvement of technical consultant. We are not having any technical consultant, that is why no one is going to cover that. But you should have some proper understanding about that, and that as I said, like I have already recorded somewhere. Here LSMW I am going to explain that how we are going to use LSMW. So during in LSMW, what is happening? There is no involvement of this is totally technically things are there here in LSMW, but still the functional consultant independently can follow all the steps and we can do this mass upload by our own. There should not be any involvement of technical consultant. If technical consultant is available, then we have to we can use BDC. In that, just we have to create a, we are having certain formality which we have to do, and then we have to inform the technical consultant and he is going to create a G transaction code by which we are going to upload this. But here in LSMW, there is no involvement of technical consultant. Functional consultant will do all the steps. We are going to do everything independently. Now, so if you talk about LSMW, here data can be uploaded by four way in LSMW: batch input, direct input, BAPI, and idocs. So whichever people feel any of these methods we can use. Now let's suppose somebody are using BAPI, somebody are using idoc, somebody are using direct input, somebody are using batch input. So whichever they know, they keep on following the same method. So by any of these method we have to upload. I always follow batch input method because I know this batch input method and I'm very much comfortable about this, and that method I am going to teach you guys. So any of these four, you need to know one, which is more than enough to upload the data. Now, here, as I already explained, no dependencies on technical consultant because we are having the counterpart of LSMW, that is BDC, where we are having dependency on technical consultant, and here we are not having any sort of technical dependency on technical consultant. It consists of 14 steps, start from maintenance of object attribute and end by running batch input session. So generally why I have added this 14 steps, I'll show you guys how it looks like and how we are going to follow one by one each steps. And people will ask during interview that how many steps are there, can you let me know one or two. So that's what I have specified here. Anyway, now we'll do one thing. We'll upload some data. We'll upload some data in by using this LSMW. So the thing is, like, let's suppose Tata Motor says that they are having 500 GLs which is being used in Tally. So what we have to do, we are going to give them a template because we are not the expert of other ERPs. We don't know how to fetch data from Tally. We don't know how to migrate, how to take out data from Tally or any other ERP. So we have to give a template. We'll define, we'll prepare our own template, and how to prepare template also, that template also I'll show you guys. So we'll prepare our own template and then we are going to give them up that you do one thing, you just take this template, migrate all the data or take out all the data from Tally and fill up in this format and then give it back to us, and then we are going to upload this in SAP. Okay. Why upload is required, guys? Because if you keep on creating GL account one by one, it will take lots of time because 500 GLs are there. Likewise, 1000 customers will be there, 2000 vendors will be there. So if they keep on creating, if we keep on creating customer master, vendor master one by one, it will take several days. Okay. So that's what we'll do. We'll go for a mass upload. Okay, we'll go for a mass upload. So how to do this mass upload, that I'll show you guys. I'll give one example and later on you can do whatever experiments you want. So let us start this one. Okay guys, so here we'll start. The first thing for LSMW, the transaction code which we follow, or the transaction code which we are going to use, is LSMW itself. LSMW, this is the transaction code. This is the transaction code. So here we are going to do the configuration first. We have to do a configuration, and once the configuration done, then we have to upload the GL, and then I'll show you guys. I'm just creating at LSMW for GL master upload. Okay guys, if you have to upload customer master, if you have to upload vendor master, if you have to upload any data, for everything different LSMW need to be created. For GL master, let's suppose I have to upload 100 GL masters. So for 100 GL masters, how many LSMW we have to create? Only one LSMW will have to create. By that itself, we can upload several GL master. Even in future also, if you have to upload additional 50 GL master, same LSMW we are going to create. Why? Because once you have configured this LSMW, it will be there in your system till the last. If you have to upload customer master, then separate LSMW need to be created. For vendor masters, another LSMW need to be created, because the upload, what to say, the fields which are coming in customer master is a different, the fields which are appearing in vendor master is a different, and the fields which appears during creation of GL master will be a different. So that is why for every upload, different LSMW need to be created. But once you created an LSMW, once you created a LSMW for, let's suppose, GL master, you have created for customer master, and you have created for vendor master. Three LSMW we have created now, and we uploaded some customer master, vendor master, and GL master. Now what will happen in future? In future, if you receive additional 50 uh, customer details, that kindly set up these customers, these 50 customers. So this is a mass creation request. So what will happen? Mass creation means we are not going to create one by one. Those customers will be created by using LSMW itself. So what is happening here? People are very clever, and nowadays in interview they are asking, let's suppose you have created one LSMW. It means you configured one LSMW for GL master upload, and you uploaded 100 GL. In future, you received another 50 GL for upload or for mass creation, whatever it is. So what will happen in that case? Like, are you going to set up a new LSMW, or that those GLs will be, those GLs can be uploaded by using the what to say, existing LSMW, which is already there in the system? So most likely people are giving answer that we have to set up a new LSMW for those. It means once again we have to follow all the steps. But guys, this is a wrong answer. We have to use the same LSMW which we have set up, which we have created. Only once the creation will take place, only once. After that, no creation at all. Whatever GL accounts you are receiving, that can be uploaded by using the same LSMW. How? I will just show you guys practically. So first of all, let us start with the configuration part, LSMW, how to configure LSMW, and then upload will also, I'll show you guys how to upload, that is end user activity. So LSMW, give transaction code LSMW, press enter button once again, and here give your project, Tata Group, sub project, TM10 or Tata Motor, anything, and object GL upload. Okay, so here it's happening now. So project, sub project, and object. Now what will happen? Sorry, now you need to click on go to, need to click on go to, and click on recordings. Wait. See, we have made a mistake. Generally you need to click on create, and then you have to give project, Tata Group, and then press enter button, and then sub project Tata Motor. So give here Tata Motor, and remove the space here, and then press enter, and then object GL upload, give GL upload, press enter button. Now it is done. Then you need to click on go to, and then click on recordings. So what we are going to do, first of all, we are going to uh, record something. What we are going to record? We are going to record, like, let's suppose if you have to create 100 GLs, so at least we have to show to system how we are going to create GL master. So one GL we have to create manually, and then while creation, the recording will take place. It means we are instructing system how to create a GL master. So once system came to know that yes, this is the way to create a GL master, next time onwards, system will perform this all activity automatically. So here it's a kind of robot. First of all, we are feeding a kind of data or something inside of robot, and after that the input you can expect whatever like kind of data you have given. So here first of all we'll have to record how to create a GL. Once recording will done, then only SAP will come to know how this how to create a GL master, and then next time onwards system will perform this automatically. So this is called recording. First of all we have to record how to create GL master, but before recording we have to perform one more activity. Open a new screen. I'll just show you guys. This is the kind of prerequisites we can say. Before starting upload for GL master, go to FS00 transaction code. Go to FS00 transaction code, click on setting, click on hierarchy display. Not hierarchy display, navigation. अरे यार, yeah, click on hierarchy display and click on do not display navigation tree. Right now it is display account in navigation tree. So if you click here, then these details will be appearing. If you click here do not display navigation tree, then press enter button, then what will happen, this details will not appear. So now if you use FS00 once again, whatever details are showing left side, that will not appear. See here now. So that's what we have to, it means we have to change the format here or the screen appearance of GL account. Once it is done, then what we are going to do, then we have to start our recording. Now we can start our recording, and as I said, like documents is already prepared here, every steps I have given. And guys, it's difficult to remind all the steps, so everywhere the documents will be available, don't worry. And it's not like that every now and then we are going to create LSMW so that you will be able to remind all the steps. 14 steps are there, but it's very easy, nothing is there in that, it's pretty simple. Everything I have shown here, see how to do recordings, everything, and then you need to click on create button. See the create symbol is this one which I am saying, and then certain description, certain details you have to give, then transaction code you have to give, which is appearing here, and then further we are going to start creation one by one, so that I'll show you here practically. In the similar way, click on create recording, and here recording session name ZFS00, anything you can give, GL creation, and your user ID will appear automatically here. Press enter button or click on continue. Now system is asking what you want to record, and if you want to record something, what is the transaction code of that? So FS00 is the transaction code. We are going to record GL master, and we have to upload GL master in bulk. So press enter button. We have given our transaction code, and now system has brought you here. Okay, so we'll do one thing. Now what we are going to do, we are going to create one GL we are going to create, and we'll show system how to create that GL. So I'll just create one GL first. Let's suppose you are having 100 GLs. You have received a list of 100 GL, out of which one GL we are going to create first, and remaining 99 GL will upload and system will create automatically. So how to do that? First of all, you know very well how to create GL manually. Now give a GL number. So any GL whether it is for asset or liability, any GL you can create. So here I don't know how many GL I have created under asset class. So I am just giving you 1010, a number, or else give 1020. That will be better. 1020. And after that, company code, you just TM01, it's there already, but still we need to touch this field. We have to touch this field. Why? Because while creation these fields are also required. So even though information is appearing, but we have to touch. It means we are instructing system that these information also we have to give during creation. So we have to touch this field. I just touch this, touch. I what to say? Click my cursor here and then click on create button. Then click on create button. Then select asset, asset, and then touch P&L account and then balance it. Both we have to touch. That's how system will record. Okay, P&L account also required, balance it also. See why we are touching this, that you will come to know. Whichever field you touch, those field will appear somewhere. So of course, while creation of the GL master, some of the GL will be created under this group. Few of the GL will be created under second group, that is balance it. And then short text anything, since we are performing testing and all, so we'll give test GL or give test 1 here also, test 1. If you want to keep any name, you can keep any name. Then click on control tab. Then currency field I have touched, only balance in local currency. You can apply a check mark here. Then click on line item display. Okay, if you want to touch this open item management, that also can be touched, but don't apply a check mark. Only you touch this and remove the check mark and then touch line item display. Then here short key 001 and then click on create bank interest and give G001. Okay, and then save this. If you want to touch this one also, you can touch, but right now, so this is how I'm just showing you how to record. And whatever fields are required, let's suppose once you become consultant in your organization, you know how many fields you guys are going to touch, or how many fields you guys are going to fill up while creation of GL account. Everywhere almost same, there is no changes at all. So those fields, all fields I have touched here, and now just save this. Few of the fields I have. So see why I was touching whatever field I have touched. These are the fields which I have touched. Okay. Now you just need to click on default all. If you click on default all, then those descriptions also will be coming along with the technical name. So these are the fields which we have touched. See here, GL account number, company code. Then after will come one by one. GL account group is coming. Then will come one by one. Okay, here balance sheet and P&L account, account currency, sort key, everything. So and finally field status group. Now as I said guys, it's a technical things, but completely the entire settings or entire things will be done by functional consultant itself. We are not required any sort of involvement of technical consultant here. So we have done this default all, save this and then click on back button. Click on back button once again, and now we have to click on execute. We have to click on execute button. So here we'll follow all these things one by one. Okay, here one by one we are going to follow these all details. Now guys, we are having, see here, total we are having how many steps? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total we should have 14 steps. Here, these steps are increasing here. Just wait. Okay, so earlier what was happening? It was till here itself. It was showing till here. If you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14 till here itself, and we are going to use till here itself. And now regarding idocs and all, they have added few more. I don't know exactly what is the use of this. Anyway, so here we are going to start our what to say configuration part, you can say, from maintenance of object attribute. Double click on this and then click on this edit button, and then as I said, we are going to start using batch input recording. So click on batch input. We are having other BAPI also, we are having idocs also, and direct input also. I am going to use batch input. What is the name of your recording? You have to type here. If you don't know, then click on this one and see automatically system has brought ZFS00. Then you save this. Once you save, click on back button. Now see guys, the first step we have performed, system automatically brought you on second step. We have not done manually. Automatically system has suggested that okay, first is done. Now you need to do the second steps. Okay. So double click on second steps also, and let's see. Click on create, and you can give source structure, a code. Let's suppose 1, GL upload, press enter. So here I have given a source structure, some code we have to give, and then GL upload, and then save this, and then click on back button. Now see here, system automatically has suggested you the third step. Now I'll just show you guys here. So now we have to do something. In second steps we have given this. In third steps, first of all, we have to do one thing. What we have to do, that I'll show you guys. See here, before double clicking on this maintenance source field, what we have to do, click on object overview and then click on list. Come down. See here guys, now whatever GL we have created, that is appearing. Okay, so you can click, see here it's appearing in a different format, but here it's appearing in a different format. Here it is coming in a different format. If you want to change a format, click on overview in table format. Let's see. Now it is appearing in the same which is shown in the system, which I have shown. Okay. So here it is appearing in table format also. The similar way I have shown here, the same. So what we have to do, see, I have specified clearly, go on desktop, open an Excel sheet. First of all, we'll have to create an Excel sheet. Copy these fields and length. Fields and length in Excel sheet. Temporary Excel sheet we have to open. And then we have to copy these all things except first two. I have mentioned tab name and T code, which is not required to maintain separately. We are not going to copy these two. After that, whatever the things are there, those we are going to copy. Which one? Only the field name and the length. Text we are not going to copy right now. Okay, we'll copy that one also. That I'll let you know. And how we have to So we have to paste in this format. I'll just let you know guys how to open. First of all, you open an Excel sheet and give GL upload, let's suppose. Double click on this, and then what are we going to do? Sorry. So we have to copy and paste. So first of all, you need to copy these things. As I said, like first two, we are not going to copy. We'll start from third. So first of all, press Ctrl Y. Press Ctrl Y, and then you have to select all these all. Okay. How to select? Press Ctrl Y. Use Ctrl and Y button, and then keep your press your what to say left button of mouse, and then drag it down. So this is how we have copied. Control C, and we are going to paste it here. Control V, and then here type C in every column, and then here length. Again Control Y, and press your left button of the mouse and drag it down and copy and paste here. So length also we have copied. This is how we have to do. We have done. Now let's see in this format itself, as I said. Then come back and click on execute for maintenance of source field. And then what we have to do, that I'll show you guys one by one. So here, come back. And I am saying click on execute. Either you execute or double click, that both are same, what to say this one. Either you need to double click on that, then also you'll go inside, or else you click on execute, then also system will take you to inside. Now click on here and click on change button. Okay. Then okay, click on this. There is a symbol here. We'll be having that symbol. I think this is the symbol table maintenance. Click on here. Yeah, the symbol is bit different in this system, so I'll just do one thing. Okay, now what we have to do, copy this, copy all, and paste it. Simply Control V. See, we have pasted it, and field description is not appearing, but once you press enter, entire description will come here. See, entire description is coming. The description which is required, those descriptions are coming. This is your short text and this is your long text. If you want to change, you can change here. And here long text. And this is your short key. Okay, so this is how we have done this. Now save this and click on back button. Now we have to prepare our template. See here, save it and go on back button. Now I'll tell you guys. What to do. So first of all, save it and click on back button. Click on back button once again. Yeah, make it save. Yes. Now see, we came on fourth steps. Double click on this and let's see what we have to do. Here we have to edit, and then okay, after editing we have to save it, nothing else. Once we edit, just save it, come back, and then double click on field mapping and conversion rule. Let's see what we have to do in this step. Click on change button, go to menu bar, extra, auto field mapping, and then we have to do this one and press enter. Okay. So now what we are going to do here also, you just click on here, click on edit button, and then click on extra and auto field mapping. Here click here, and then let me see if we are having anything. Nothing. So press enter button. Now see guys, you need to keep on pressing enter here. If you click on either accept proposal or press enter. Okay, see here I have already specified somewhere. Click on accept proposal. Okay, and keep on clicking on accept proposal until below a screen appears. Okay, here keep on clicking here until see what is happening. System is mapping all the fields one by one. See here, whenever you click on accept proposal, the field name is appearing, like right now balance sheet account. It means this mapping is going on. The moment I click on accept proposal, then here long text, short text, everything will come. See here, short text is coming, long text is coming. Likewise, the last one field status group will come. So keep on clicking on this short key. Field status group, this is the last one, and once it is done, then click. See here, auto field mapping completed. Once you press enter, then this screen appearance will change. See, now mapping is done. Save this. Once it is saved, what next? We have to skip. See here, it's showing how it looks like. Okay, take care. Now I saved. Click on back button. Then here also generally if you want to change anything, then only press enter. Okay, so see guys, in sixth step generally we should skip this one. Okay, you want to change or not, it doesn't matter, we can skip directly from fifth. See, from this one sixth to directly we can come to seventh also. From fifth to we can come directly seventh also. This field, this step generally is not required to maintain. I don't know what is the use of this because I haven't used till now and I was not needed yet. But anyway, now so what we have done now, the next step, in next step what we are going to do, we have to specify the files. We have to specify the files here. From here onwards, we have to upload the files. So before uploading, what will happen? Before uploading, we should have a file ready with us. The file should be ready with us. It means you should have a template, and in that all the data should be there. So how to prepare template, that I'll let you know. It's pretty simple, guys. Here I have specified everything. So note, I have already specified. Keep your cursor on project, click on this one and come back. Note, prepare your upload before clicking on 7th step. Prepare your upload file. Okay, how? For that, go back on 3rd step, maintain source field, and click on object overview, click on table. I'll tell you guys here, and copy this one. Okay, ठीक है. Now, so come on the 3rd field, object overview, and click on table. So it will be coming in table format. Now see here we are having all those details. So control Y and then copy this, and in Excel sheet just keep it in a different sheet. Okay, in a different sheet. Now what will happen? The names are too long. Okay, this is just for the sake of our information we are going. So here you can make it shorter. GL account number, enter your COMP, company code, your account group, P&L statement account, you can write like this, balance sheet account, remove this one, you can write like balance sheet account, here also you can write like this, and then short text, and here long text, then currency you can keep like this, and only balance in local currency. So you can keep balance in local currency. Then here this is for line item display. Line item display, okay, sort key, and here field status group FSG. This is what, and then copy this and click on third sheet, and here paste special. Click on paste special, and then click on transpose, and then make OK. See here, now it is coming horizontally. So select this and press double click on this, so all is started adjusted here, the different length. Okay, now so this is how we have to make our template. Make it bold. Okay, you can make it like this. Our template is ready. Now we have to fill up the details. Okay, here we have to fill up the details. So let's suppose you have to upload some GL. So GL account number first. So we have uploaded 1020, then 1021, 1022, 1023. Let's suppose 1023. Likewise, we will having another GL like liability GL also. Say for example 2020, 2021. These are the GL which need to be created. So here what will happen, these details will be given by client. Okay, this is the template which we have prepared. Now these details will be decided by client. What should be the GL number, what should be the text, everything. They are going to fill up the details and they will give. But here we have to perform testing. So we have to prepare this. We have to fill up the details ourselves itself. Now company code TM10, TM10. So the same account group here. Now see here what account group you have to give. So click on here, open a new screen, and then you have to see OBA OBD4 GL account group. What code exactly we have given? So click on position and give chart of account TM10. See, for assets we are having a code ASST. So those codes we are going to specify here under account group. So till 1 series all assets, and this is liability. So what is the account group for liability? For liability, this is your account group. So these two GLs we are going to create for liability. Now it is a profit and loss or balance sheet. Okay, so whether it is profit and loss, and these all things I have specified here. See here how to prepare, everything I have specified. Okay, okay. Now, so P&L account or balance sheet. If it is a P&L account, you need to press X button here. If it is balance sheet, then X here. So all are balance sheet, I'll keep X here. If any GL belongs to P&L, then what will happen? Like we'll create one P&L GL also 4020 and make it TM10, and this is expense GL guys. So see the code for expense. What is the code for expense? We are having EXPN. This is the code. Sorry, EXPN. So you keep one for expense also. If you want to increase, you can make it 4021 also. This is also expense GL. Likewise revenue also. So here expense means it's profit and loss. So here X I have given. Okay, this is expense which is the part of P&L. So I have applied XX here. This is the balance sheet. So I have given XX here. If you guys are able to remind here, see balance sheet or P&L or balance sheet. So that's what appearing here, P&L account or balance sheet. So all these assets and liabilities are balance sheet account. All these expenses are what to say, P&L. Even if you keep revenue also, here itself you have to apply check mark. Short text. Now any text you can give. I am going to give test 2, test 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The GL name I have given. Okay, any name you can give, since we are going to perform a testing part and all. So that's what we have to give certain text. Now I have given test. Why? Because later on if you use the same company code, you can come to know, okay, these are the GL which we have created with the help of LSMW for our experiment. Okay, currency INR. So control D, select this. Only balance in local currency. Whether you want to apply a check mark or not, only balance in local currency. If you want to apply a check mark, X, 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 X in each cases. If you don't want to apply a check mark on anyone, you have to remove. Line item display. So copy this one and paste here. Sort key. Now here 001. So guys, it's difficult. 001. How we are going to make it 001? So in order to make it 001, you need to press. There is a button. Semicolon button is there. First of all, you need to press this one. See here, one small colon is there or something. I don't know what is called in English. This one. See, we will be having like once you write something, you will be giving like this one. This is 2. We have to press first one. Okay. So what is the advantage here? First of all, you have to press this key and then give 001. Then system is going to take. Likewise, make it for everything. And FSG, let's suppose G001. Likewise, if you want to change, if you have to create a reconciliation GL, in that a different will be there, but that if you want to add, you can add. Now, so this template we have created. Control S, save it, and log in once again because this got logged out. Let me log in. Let me log in here once again. Press enter. Press enter. Okay, so now use. Okay, so now what we have done, we have created our template here. Now copy this, copy these all details, copy these all details. Go on your desktop, open a text document and give any detail here also, like let's suppose give FS00 itself, any detail you can give, and double click on this and paste it. From where I have copied, I have not copied this above description. This description why I have given above, so that we will be having, okay, what is this? This is GL account number. What is this? This is company code. This is your account group. This is your short text, long text. For these things I have given above the description. But exactly what we have to upload, we have to upload these datas. So I just copied those datas and I have kept somewhere. I have tested in a what to say, text document, and save it. And you can give a name of that file and close this. Okay. Now come on SAP once again and use transaction code LSMW. Press enter button and press enter once again. And this is your project, sub project, and object. You need to note it down somewhere generally, that what is the project, sub project, and object name for GL account. And once you give the correct information, then only you will be able to then press enter button. And now see here we came on specify files. So guys, just double click or execute here, do anything on specify files. Click on legacy data here. Now we have to start from specify files. What we are going to do, see here, click on legacy data on PC front end and then edit. Okay, Okay. Now, so I've clicked here, then click on edit. Okay. And then after that, double click on this. Once you double click, see where we have double clicked on legacy data, PC on the PC front ended. We have double clicked on this, and now here we have to select file. So click on desktop and give your file fs00 text. Here it is coming. Click on open. So the file we have chosen here, you can give any like GL upload, any text, and tabulator. You have to select this tabulator and then press enter. Okay, and then you have to save it. So in this step, what we have done, we have just specified the file. We have shown system that where have we kept the upload file. So we have kept upload file here. Click on back button, and then okay, so your upload file, everything is coming. Some now come back. Now double click on assign file. Here apply, click on this edit button. Okay, save it and come back. Now double click on read data. One by one we are going to follow this. Now there is nothing much, and click on execute, allow. So system is able to read. Total we are having 7 GLs which we are going to create, and everything system is able to read all the 7 records. Click on back, click on back. Now, so see guys, whatever unrequired details which were appearing, those are gone. Here only 14 steps are appearing. If people ask how many steps will appear in LSMW, you have to say 14 itself. Okay, I don't know how from where it was coming. Maybe a new version, some extra details they might have given. So that could be the reason, because still we are using the EHP5 itself in my organization. Anyway, so here again display read data. Double click on display read data and press enter button. Press enter. So these are the data which are going to be uploaded. See here, you click on any of them. You click on any of them and see, we can check. Okay, this is your GL account. This value is correct. Company code, this is also correct. Account group, this is also correct. P&L we have not selected, nothing is coming. Balance sheet we have selected, so X is coming. Short text is correct, long text is correct, currency is also correct. These things we have applied a check mark. This is your short key and field status group. Now it is perfect. Sometime what happened, some people make some mistake, and because of that this company code will appear here under account group will appear under P&L statement account, this will appear under here. So it means somewhere we have problem in file mapping itself. So we'll have to rectify once again, one by one we'll have to follow all the steps, and that's how we are going to rectify. But here whatever file we have mapped against these all text, this is appearing correctly. So it's not like that one by one we are going to check for each and every files. If you are having like 200 GLs, randomly check for 4, 5 or 6 GLs, that's it, not more than this. So we have checked, everything is perfect. Click on back button, click on convert data. Now system is going to convert those data. Click on back button now and display converted data. Whatever system has converted into their SAP language. See here, once again if you want to check, click on any of them and then you can check everything is appearing properly, correctly. Click on back button, click on back button, and now create batch input session. Double click on this. The name of your batch input session is file name. This is TTGRP. Okay. The name of batch input is GL upload. See here, the name of batch input is GL upload. Click on execute and press enter button. So now we came on the last. So whatever batch input we have created, now we have to run. So click on execute once again. And now see here, this is the batch input session which got created. The session name is GL upload. Select this and click on process. And then nothing to do, click on process. Okay guys, here two things you need to know: foreground and background. Then generally we run for these two only, foreground or background. Either you can run for foreground and or you run for background. But guys, in real time, what we are going to do, we keep on running in foreground itself, because in foregrounds, if some error appears, then it will be completely visible. It will be completely visible on your desktop. Where is the error? Where is the problem? In background, system will create those GLs in background, and if somewhere error is there, it will stuck there itself. Now we won't be able to know where is the problem. Some difficulties are there. Okay. So always people run this LSMW in foreground itself. I prefer, and most likely everybody prefer to run in foreground itself. So run in foreground and see, while creating GL one by one, it will appear on your screen. How it will appear, that I'll show you. Click on process. See, now it is appearing here. So you drag it here. You drag it here. And now keep on pressing enter button. See, enter once again. See, enter once again. Now see, one by one every details are coming here. Asset got selected. This is the first GL getting created. Asset got selected, then balance sheet. Then if you press enter, see your short text, not long text is getting appeared. Got, then here only balance in local currency, line item display, short key is also coming. Press enter. Now see here, field status group also appear. Why? Because those data already we have given. Okay, those data we have already given here. Press enter. Now first GL got created, now second GL is getting created. So guys, it's not like that if you are having 500 GL, keep on pressing enter, one by one. Generally what we do, we press enter button and we keep some stapler or something, a weighted item on the enter button, so that it will keep on pressing. See, I just kept my finger here. See how soon it's getting created. The 7 GL will be created within a minute or less than that. Okay, see, one by one all the details are appearing, GLs are getting created, and once it is created, a final message will appear. See here, we are having two more GL which need to be created. So this is how it's going to be created. Now what is happening, it has stuck somewhere. Now it will take some time. So we'll stop here itself. Now anyway, till this 4021, it means here last GL was about to create. Meanwhile, maybe due to internet issue or whatever it is, sometime this got disconnected. So this GL will not be created. This GL will not be created. Now what will happen? Then whatever the remaining GLs are there, whatever remaining GLs we are having, these many GLs are created. These GLs are not created. So what will happen? This can be created manually also, or else if you are having still, like, let's suppose 20 GLs, so you need to copy those 20 from here, and then whatever your field file is there, you just once again you paste it all the details here, and then once again we have to upload. So second time if you are going to upload, what you have to do, I'll just let you know. So since system has hanged here, so I'll have to log in once again, or else it will take lots of time. So I'll just log in, press, sorry. So now press enter. So whatever the first screen is there, that is gone. Press enter. Once again we are going to use LSMW. Okay, slash n LSMW. Press enter, and see here we are here to run batch input session. Execute here. This batch input session we have done. Now let's see whether the 7th GL got created or not, because here nothing, error is not showing. So let me create one more screen and we'll use FS00 transaction code. Now guys, click on setting and you can open your hierarchy display so that it will be easy for you guys to see your GL accounts whichever we have created. Once again slash n00 slash n FS00, press enter. Now see how many GLs have we have created, like total 7, right? Total 7, out of which these 3 belongs to asset, test 2, test 3, test 4. See here, from assets, this got created just now. Then we are having in liability, we are having 2, 21, 20 and 21. In liability we are having 2. Under expense also we have created 20, 21. So under expense we are having only one, guys. Why? Because on the last GL, while creation of last GL, some problem happened and system stuck there itself. So only one GL. It means whatever the remaining GLs, let's suppose here you are having 5 GLs. Okay, I'll just do one thing. I'll make the same details here. Let's suppose we are having 22. We are having 22 and make it 9. Now let's suppose the taken place here. So still we are having here, we are having 2 GLs only. Just assume that you are having 20 GLs to create. Remaining, these all GLs are already created. We have already checked here in FS00 that all GLs are created. Now from where it could not got created? From here. So copy these information and go on desktop, open this and select all and then paste. It means previous all information gone and we have given the new information here, and close this. And if you want to upload once again, then click on back button, and then where are we going to use it from? See, we are going to use it from specify files. It's not like that all details we are going to give here. No, as I said, LSMW will be created only once, and then after whatever GL you have to create, always we are going to, whatever GL you have to upload, you have to use from, we are going to follow step number 7. See here, yeah, step number 7, specify files. So now we have created a new file here, FS00 itself, but we have changed the details over there. Once again, you double click on specify files. I'll just show you guys, and then double click, click on edit button and double click on this. Sorry, click on here, double click on here, and then again FS00, open, and then tabulator anyway it is selected. Press enter and save. I'll just show you guys, see how soon we will be able to do this. Assign file, double click once again, click here, click on edit, save this, back button. Read data once again, click on execute, click on allow, and again back button. Two only we have given, those are coming. Display read data, double click, press enter button, and here it is appearing. Click on back button. Now double click on convert data. Once again click on execute, then click on back button once again. Display converted data, press enter. If you want to check, you can check. Already we have checked, so I don't think that any problem will be there. Create batch input session, double click. Once again GL upload 1, give GL upload 1. We are going to change the name of batch input folder. Press enter. And then run batch input session, double click here. And here session name is coming GL upload 1, GL upload. So give GL upload 1 and then press enter. See, it is coming here GL upload 1. Or else if you remove this name and then press enter, then all the sessions which is run in this system is going to appear. All the sessions. See here, several people have run their this one. So keep a star mark and then you can give. Out of which our only two. This first one we have already done. Okay. Now second one we have created. Click on process. Select that and click on process and press on process button itself. And now, okay, there will be a problem, guys. There will be a problem. Here in this way, system will not be able to upload. So once again, what we have to do, slash and press, will have to come. Okay, enter an account. See here, the problem will be there. One second, guys. See, guys, first of all, we need to exit from FS00. How to exit? You need to click on here, close button, and then I exited from there, and then use FS00 transaction code, press enter. And then what we are going to do, remove this hierarchy display once again, because while uploading, where is this hierarchy display? Yeah, here, do not display navigation tree. Press enter, and now let's see the changes are appearing or not. Slash n. Now in this uh, in this format itself we have to upload. So that is done. Now use LSMW once again. Or else I'll do one thing, guys. We are running batch input, so you can use LSMW. You can use LSMW once again. Press enter and see your project, sub project objects are coming. Press enter once again, and once again we are going to run batch input session and give GL upload 1. Press enter. So this is coming. Here error has taken place. Let's see. We'll run once again whether it is. Now click on processing. Now we'll do. Press enter. Press enter. You can drag it here so that you can. All the changes are visible. You keep on pressing enter button. Keep on pressing enter button. Second GL is getting created. Keep on pressing enter button. Now see, it got created successfully. It got created successfully. So if you see, open a new screen and use FS00 once again, and you can see all the new GL. FS00 once again. Hierarchy display now, because it will be easy for us to see all the GLs which we have created. Slash NFS00. Now we have created in expense, we have created two more GL. Those GLs are appearing here. So guys, this is how we have to do the mass upload, or what to say, like data migration. Data migration is nothing but mass upload itself. So this is how we have to use LSMW, and here people will ask how many steps are there in LSMW. See guys, here, come back, use LSMW once again, press enter, and give your projects a project object. We are having total 14 steps. Okay, so this is one time creation guys. If you have to create LSMW, only one time creation is there, and after that if you have to upload the file second time, third time, fourth time in future, we can use the same LSMW. We have to use it from specify files. Always whenever you have to upload GL master, we have to use from specify files. So keep in your mind, this question will be asked by people. They will ask this question and you have to reply in this way itself. We are not going to follow this remaining other steps and all. Once it is done, it's okay. It's only one time activity. Next time onwards, we have to keep on using from specify files. Every time we have to upload file, so you have to specify where is your file on desktop. We have to give the link of that file and followed by other remaining 7 steps. So that's all in LSMW guys. That's all in LSMW. See, I'll tell you, let's suppose if you have to create 200 GL through LSMW, how to identify that all are created or any of the GLs are pending. Okay, so it's pretty simple, Dio. If you see here, like we are having these GLs, these many GLs we have created, right? So the first thing is like you can check here, because anyhow serial wise will be there. Okay, that few GL for asset masters, few GL for expenses and all. So here I have checked like these GLs are created, and apart from this, we are having one more things. Slash n, go to SE16. There will be a separate class on this, I think, or I might have taught you guys earlier maybe. This is for table. Whatever GL master or whatever the data or whatever things we are creating, those data are getting saved somewhere in table. So here for GL, these data are going to be saved under which table? The table name is SKA1 and SKB1. So use SKB1 table. Press enter. SKB1 table. Give your company code TM10. I've given TM10, and whatever GLs are there, like these many GLs we were supposed to create. Copy this GL number. See, copy this GL number. So likewise, if you are having 200 GLs, you copy all this GL numbers and then click on here in GL account, click on here and then click on upload from clipboard. So all the GLs are appearing. See, here we are having 8. If you have uploaded 200, system will show 200. Instead of 8, 200 will be there. Click on execute. Okay. And then if it is 200, then nothing need to be done here. If it is more than 500, then you need to remove this 500 from here and click on execute button. Now see all the GLs which got created, the GL account number is appearing. Okay, so all the 8 GLs are coming. See here, 8 GLs are coming. Now here, let's suppose out of 200, 196 GL got created and 4 GLs are not appearing here. It means those 4 GLs are not created. Some problem is there. So guys, see here, all this are appearing in the same sequence which we have given here, isn't it? Same sequence which we have given here. Now which are the 4 GLs which is not appearing? So for this you have to apply formula on Excel sheet and all. You need to copy all this, you need to copy, see all the GLs, and then you have to create one, insert this one and here paste it, isn't it? and some true or false, some formula is there which you can apply. So anyhow, that is related to Excel sheet, it's not related to SAP and all. So true false you can apply, and you can come to know, or else if you know any other, because Excel is a, what to say, there are some people who is very much expert and all. So either you can see one by one, or else like here you can match one by one also. If you don't know true false, it's a matter of 10 minutes only. Or else if you know true and false, or any other formula, you can apply, and that's how you can identify which are the 4 GLs are missing. For those 4 GLs you can create manually, or once again you have to rectify the files, and that can be uploaded second time. But generally 2 3 GLs 4 GLs if are there, people will create manually, because again we'll have to find out where was the problem, why these 4 GLs are not uploaded, why to take additional half an hour for finding out what was the problem. Remaining other GL got created. If 4 GL or 3 GL is not created, it's a matter of 5 minutes, we can create manually. So this is how we have to